Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. Let's fix it guys. Method 1. You just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to find VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set this to automatic and start the service. Select apply and OK for changes. And now just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the right games and select open file location. Go back to right games, double click on the Valorant, live shooter game, binaries, win64. Scroll down and find Valorant win64 shipping.exe. Just right click on it and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and checkmark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.